Moving to the next part, preparation of carbonyl compound. Here in the last video we have discussed about the preparation of carbonyl compound, especially aldehyde. But now we are moving to the preparation of carbonyl compound, aldehyde as well as ketone. Aldehyde as well as ketone. Now the reagent which we use here, that is Grignard reagent, and the topic we have to discuss over here, that is using Grignard reagent from RCN, that means cyanide compound, and from ortho ester. The general formula I have given for ortho ester over here. Let's start. Now preparation of carbonyl compound using Grignard reagent. Mind that I am giving the general one first, general reaction. Actually here RCN, the structure of RCN is used here, starting material, and the Grignard reagent, let me consider I am using here R-MgBr, say. So this is the Grignard reagent. Already we have discussed earlier what is Grignard reagent. Now according to the mechanism, what will be the result over here? It will prepare this compound. It will prepare this compound. Now after acid hydrolysis, that means H plus along with water or dilute acid is given over here. It will prepare what? It will prepare this is the product we have got over here. This is the product we have got. This is the carbonyl compound. Mind that it is very simple to understand, because in place of R, if always we have to remember that if in this reaction, if R is equal to H, product will be aldehyde. Always we have to remember that if R is equal to this R equal to H, then only the product will be aldehyde. But if R is equal to any alkyl group, then product will be ketone. So you have to remember that. So depending on the question, we have to select the starting material, then we have to find out the answer. So it's very easy to understand. So if we replace the R group, by replacing R group we can find out different product. Now so this is from cyanide. Now from ortho ester. Here also the general chemical formula, chemical reactions I am giving over here. Ortho ester, the general structure I am giving over here, R1 OR1 OR1. So this is known as ortho ester. Whenever it reacts with R, say it is R2 MgBr. That means another Grignard reagent I have given over here. So ultimately the result will be, I am writing over here, RC R2 OR1 and OR1. So OR1 is replaced by this R2. Now along with the product will be like this, Mg this one OR1 is attached with this MgBr, forming this product. This is the side product. And finally, after acid hydrolysis, H3O plus, acid hydrolysis, H plus or H2O, it can be written like this way also. Ultimately the product will be RC, R2 over here, and double bond O plus 2, this is one, R1OH. This is the side product. We are mainly interested about this one. So this is the carbonyl compound. This is the carbonyl compound. So again same thing. If we replace this R group by H, same thing. If R equal to H over here, the ultimately product will be what? The product will be aldehyde. It is same thing. Same thing is applicable for whatever I have written here. Same thing is applicable over here also. If R is high H only, then only the product will be aldehyde, and if R is alkyl group, the product will be ketone. One example I am going over here. If this question is asked, prepare acetaldehyde that means CH3CHO using Grignard reagent. So if the question is given like this, what will be the answer? How we can find out the answer? Very simple way, two different method, Grignard reagent. I am showing it one by one. See, if this product, this compound is taken along with Grignard reagent, say CH3MgBr. So the product will be, what will be that means it will attach over here. So ether would be as a solvent you have to use over here. So ultimately this will be like this. This is the addition product is prepared. After the acid hydrolysis, we will get what? It will be liberated, and the product will be, yes, so the product will be this. So finally we have got, it is the acetaldehyde along with the side product. We may write this or not, no problem, but the side product will be MgOH plus NH3 as I mentioned earlier. So here we have to prepare acetaldehyde, we have to use this one. So I have done one. So we can select the orthoester also. What to do in place of R? We have to use H over here, then only aldehyde can be prepared, otherwise not. And in place of this we have to use what? Because here the group is, R group is this is the R group, so we have to use here CH3. We have to use here CH3. If we place CH3 and here H, finally we are getting same thing, that means acetaldehyde. So this is the way by which we can find out different product if according to the question. If the question is given different compound, we have to change the R and R2 group, then only we can find out the product very easily. Okay.